Welcome to my channel, viewers. I hope you are all fine. In this video you will get very beautiful, very stylish and very fabulous ladies front neck design ideas. Very beautiful, very unique and very attractive and very fabulous front neck design for ladies kurti, shirts and kameez you will get from this video. So this is very beautiful Pakistani, Indian style and Western style ladies front neck design. This neck design is for winter season and for summer season. So I hope you will like this video. I request you please watch this video completely so that you can get our daily update. Viewers, this neck design is according to new pattern 2020. So this is very beautiful, very latest and very gorgeous front neck design for ladies. If you are new in my channel, I request you visit my channel at once. And if you did not subscribe to my channel up till now, so please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. Bell icon button is given near to the subscribe button, so if you will not press on the bell icon you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. So please don't forget to share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to give your thumbs up. For more latest collection you can visit my channel. Very beautiful and very easy and very simple, very stylish neck design are given in this video. This is very simple and very easy to stitch. So if you have no idea about neck design, so after watching this video you will get idea which one neck design did you like most from this video. Please tell us, so we will try to upload that videos next time according to your choice. So viewers, keep commenting in my channel, keep visiting my channel on daily basis. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next video and always keep remember us in your special prayers. Thanks for watching this video. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz. Share this video with your friends.